The Secret of Two Sisters Cave. The evening breeze in Portmore carried the smell of salt and fried fish. As Simone and Suedene slipped out of their yard just before sunset. "May I tell you, we should have waited till tomorrow," Suedene muttered, glancing back at the gate. Simone didn't even turn around. "If we wait till tomorrow, everybody a go dead. More see it when it quiet." Suedene sighed. "You always want the things the hard way." They followed the narrow path leading toward the coastline, where the land dipped low and the limestone rocks stretched outward to the sea. Up ahead, carved into the rock like a hidden doorway, Two Sisters Cave. Simone slowed this time. "All right, it looked kinda scary," she admitted. Suedene folded her arms. "Kinda?" A cool breeze rushed out from inside the cave, brushing against them like a warning. But curiosity did stronger than both of them. They stepped in. Inside, everything changed. The air was cooler, the sounds of the outside world faded, replaced by soft echoes of dripping water. Drip, drip, drip. Suedene's slippers scraped lightly against the ground. "Why it sound like the cave talking?" "It's not talking," Simone said quickly. "It's just an echo." But even she lowered her voice. They moved deeper in, using the flashlight on Simone's phone. The beam of the light bounced across the walls and stopped. "Wait! Look on that!" Carved into the limestone were markings, lines, shapes, even what looked like two stick figures side by side. "Somebody did this," Simone whispered. "Long time ago," she added. They stepped closer. Under the drawings were faint letters scratched unevenly into the rock. Simone wiped away some dust and read slowly. "We said we would stay together." Suedene frowned. "Stay together? For what?" Before Simone could answer, the cave split ahead into two narrow paths. Both looked almost the same, dark, winding, and tight. Suedene stopped walking. "Yeah, me no like that." Simone shined the light down one path, then the other. "Maybe it's just two exits. Or maybe we're gonna get lost," Suedene shot back. Simone hesitated. Then she noticed something. "Hold on, look on the ground." There were footprints, old ones, hardened into the dirt. One set went left, another went right. Suedene's eyes widened. "So somebody really did split up in here?" Simone nodded slowly. And maybe that's what the message meant. The cave suddenly felt tighter, quieter. Suedene stepped closer to her sister. "Yo, we not do that." Simone looked at both paths again, then turned off the flashlight for a second. "Wait! Why you do that?" Suedene whispered loudly. "Shh! Listen." They stood still. From the left path, they heard stronger dripping like water pooling. From the right, nothing, just still air. Simone turned the light back on. Water usually means deeper inside, harder to come back from. Suedene nodded quickly. "So we're taking the other one together, right?" Simone smiled. Together. They moved carefully down the right path, staying close, hands brushing against the cave wall. After a few minutes, the tunnel widened and a soft glow appeared ahead. Natural light. "Exit!" Suedene grinned. They hurried forward and stepped out onto the small hidden opening by the sea. The view took their breath away. Waves crashed against the gentle rocks below, and the sky had turned a deep golden orange. "Wow," Suedene whispered. Simone looked back toward the cave entrance behind them. "So maybe Two Sisters Cave not so scary after all." Suedene smirked. "Yeah, it just a test if you have sense." Simone laughed. "Or if you're loyal." Suedene nudged her. "Same thing." As they made their way back home, the breeze felt warmer now, comforting. And just before they reached the main road, Suedene glanced back once more. "Next time," she said, "we're bringing snacks." Simone grinned and a better flashlight. They both laughed, their voices carried away by the sound of the sea. Sometimes, the smartest thing you can do isn't going alone, it's sticking together and thinking things through.